Today the agenda, the what we are going to discuss about the course detailed in detail. So what topics we are going to cover as part of the our course and the course duration and course structure and the timelines which we have to decide it. So those things agenda and some introduction about the SAP. Here few people are knows like what is SAP and what is these things aware of. Just I want to again want to explain what is SAP and how who developed this one. So at what when it was developed. So SAP SAP is an actually SAP is a shortcut name SAP. But in the German language, actually it's a German product. Actually, SAP is the German product. So that's why in German language, so they will call it as the SAP. So in German language, they will call it as the SAP. If you type it out in our language, it's like SAP. So SAP. Okay, it's in German language. So actually, it's a German product. So in 1972, so five ex-service IBM people, they have developed this SAP product in 1970. Their time of during that time in 1972 depends upon the business situation, business slowness, core business operations. They have decided and they have developed this SAP application. They have developed it. Same as like how the applications are helping. Previously, IBM mainframes IBM mainframe is helping to the business to for their day-to-day operations, business core values and customer relationships, everything the IBM mainframe is helping. So same as like so our SAP also helping to business for their so core business operations and everything. Okay. So it's a German language. So SAP is a German multinational software company. It's based upon the so Waldorf. Okay, that is the where it is like Waldorf. So here in their situation, like in 1972, for their business situations, they have developed this one. Based on that, so they are slowly yearly, they are innovating and they are changing this code, hard softwares and everything they are changing. So now we have S4 HANA and HANA databases and some other applications also SAP released BTP, some cloud products they have released it. See how they have started in 1972 and till date 2023. So there are a lot of innovations are happened in the SAP. Lot of innovations are happened in SAP. So SAP, before going to discuss about the SAP comes from the ERP. ERP is the one of the enterprise resource planning software product. So under the ERP, we have mainframes and PeopleSoft and Siebel CRM and Siebel CRM, JD Edwards, Microsoft Dynamics, and SAP. Right? So there are many are there here, and many SAP applications are there main here. In that, so we are going to discuss about the SAP application. So SAP so it comes from the ERP. ERP is the one of the software company. It comes from the SAP, right? ERP comes from so sorry SAP comes from SAP. So ERP is the parent, father, and SAP is the so child comes from so ERP. So ERP software products. So ERP has multiple software products. Suppose if we see currently HCM, Human Capital Management, and CRM, right? And also we have Human Capital Management. It comes under the all ERP products only. These all are comes under the ERP product. And CRM, so HCM, CRM, and EPM, and PLM. So these all are this PLM, so SCM, so BTP, nowadays BTP also, SRM. So like that, so we have the products, so ERP products, these all are comes under the, so yeah, like the ERP products only. All are comes under the ERP, so ERP product only. So the SAP is the third in the worldwide. It's the third largest. So the traded software company, the revenue wise, and also the market capitalization, it's one of the third largest company. So in the market, and also it has many shares in the SAP. So it's growing. I think you know this about this thing, all these things, you know. Just want to say tell about it. Actually, it was founded in 1972, almost like 51 or 52 years ago. It was founded. They are the five ex-service IBM people. They have developed this SAP company. They have developed this SAP softwares and everything they have developed. So this is the IBM product, not IBM. So five ex-service IBM employees they have developed. Those employees are from the German. That is the reason it's a German product. So in SAP, it's not like that one word. It's not like that one word. SAP means system, applications, and products in business data processing. In your business, if you want to process your data, you need one system, one application, and one product, right? You need one system, one application, SAP application, and a product. That is the ERP product you need in your business, day-to-day business. Business means either the sales business, customer business, food business, like day-to-day like HR business. So whatever the business we have in the market, so if you want to process that business, so definitely you need SAP application. Suppose like Amazon, Flipkart, and IRCTC, Redbus, Air India, and Kingfisher. So there are a lot of things are there in the lot of the main products are there in the SAP. For their their business operations, they are using SAP. It's just only 5 or 10 as far as known. We have many are there. So transport for London, and also the Bhubaneswar Metro, the Pune Metro, all are their applications. Metro applications are running on the SAP only. SAP only. If the SAP is down, so we know what is the impact in the business, right? So what is the impact, right? So that's the criticality of the SAP application. Okay, so in 1972 they have founded. Till date SAP is the one of the top place in the market, right? Just introduction about the what is SAP and everything. So this SAP, under the SAP we have multiple product, depends upon your business, depends upon your usage. You can use either SAP ECC, it's for the real-time transactions application. So SAP business, this is the warehouse business. If you have the warehouse business, you can use this business. SAP PO, integration purpose, you can use the PO application. And software, this is a software, it depends upon the business. It's not only one business you can use the SAP. You can use the multiple business, you can integrate with our SAP applications. If you have the real-time business, you want to book the order, you want to do the payments, you want to do the transaction, you want to book the ticket, you want to book the flight ticket, you want to order something, definitely you need in your organization, definitely ECC, ECC application is definitely you required. You have the warehouse business, definitely business warehouse is required. Integrations, SAP portal, in the ATM front-end mission, they will use it. Then SAP success factors. In the success factor means, you know, right? Success factors. Success factors means in the payroll time, approval procedures, all these things, they will use the success factors. So, and also like SAP NetWeaver, and also SAP like S4 Hana, latest version, and SAP Hana. These all are related to the SAP products only. Suppose if I take example, Unilever. Unilever is the one word, but under the Unilever, so delivering the multiple products, Unilever soaps, Unilever brushes, Unilever shampoos, Unilever, you know, right? So many are there. Same as like under the SAP, depends upon your usage. You can use these applications. We have to use it, right? So this is the applications which we have to discuss. Okay. And also SAP is not only applications business, they are not only application softwares and designing. So recently they have developed the DB side also. They have innovated and they have released the new database called the SAP HANA administration, which is the high performance database, which means your results are very quickly, easily you can get the your results easily you can get it out. So how SAP is helping to the customer? Suppose if I take it about the IRCTC, the Indian government. So this everyone knows. This IRCTC is on the SAP. It's in the SAP. You can see in their article they have written. So how it is SAP is helping to their business. So per day, for daily, how the SAP is helping to their business and how many tickets they are booking, the users and everything, how they are booking seats reservation. So everything how they are booking. So each and everything. So SAP is helping. This is one of the article SAP. So they have written in the public sector. They have released in the public sector. See how it is helping to them for booking, seats booking, food business, everything IRCTC is helping. Right? You can see in the article they have written exactly they have written this one, right? So this is one example only. Like that, we have the many examples are there. So Air India also coming to the SAP business, and Kingfisher also as coming to the SAP business. So which means they are using the SAP applications. So and also the food and the beverages, many were SAP applications. That is the reason the requirement is very huge nowadays, right? So as part of this course, we are going to cover about like introduction. What is introduction? It's a like normal introduction that we are, but what about this R3 SAP Anumorana versions? We will discuss it about, and landscape related information, and also installation. If you want to use the SAP, what installations we have to perform it? That installation we have to perform it. The installation we have to perform it. The installation we have to perform it. Then after that, how to create the users and authorizations. Then client administration. These are the topics. CCMS, background jobs, so performance tuning, transports, printers. So all these patch administrations. And coming to the HANA administration also, we are going to discuss about the HANA as well. HANA installations, HANA upgrades, some Linux administration, Linux command, HANA Studio, multiple holes, DBA cockpit, contents, add-ons, plugins. So the bottom line is here, whatever the basis consultant architect level it's required, same discussion we will discuss in our day-to-day classes. Same upgrades, yes, conversion. So 1.0 to 2.0 conversion, HANA installations, SAP installation, SAP upgrades, and database installation, database monitoring, support, whatever the basis consultant we required. So with us, we are not only one person with us, we are working. So we are not only one team, basis team. We are called the SAP basis consultant. Our team name is called the SAP basis, right? And also we have the ABAP team who will do the coding and development. And also we have the HR business, sorry, SAP HR team. And also like we have the functional, we will call it as the all are the functional team. And also SAP security team. So these teams and end users who will use the SAP for their day-to-day operations. So these all are basis consultants. We are the administrator in the team. We are the administrator of the company. So because we will manage the all SAP applications, products, stopping, starting, if any issues, either the users, security, functional, above team, if they have any issue, they will contact the basis team for their day-to-day. Definitely they will contact the basis team. Why? Because we are the main person in the team. So that is the reason. So we have huge demand in the market. Basis team is the huge demand. And also we are not the developers to write the code and program. We are the technical team. We are the technical team. We are the technical guys and technical administrator team in the market. Right? So this is the thing. So as part of this course, we are covering about the SAP basis and HANA administration, SAP basis and HANA administration. We are covering DB administration. First, we will discuss the SAP basis, then HANA. When we are discussing the HANA, we will discuss about the Linux administration as well. So this is the thing. And also our course duration is, so it will take like, so 50 to 55 days all it will take. So 1 or 2 days more or less. So 50 to 55 days. Right. So during this course, we'll discuss about, during the course we'll discuss, and I will provide the server access as well, so that which will help to you to practice same as like in the real time how you will log in and practice. So this server access also will help you to practice it. Day one itself I will provide the server access so that you can log in and we can practice it. So coming to the timelines. So the timelines perspective, currently one batch is running, which is morning 7 to 8 a.m. IST timings it is running. So if you guys are okay, we can discuss 8 to 9 or 9 to 10 a.m. Also, I am okay with these timelines. So up to 9 to 10 also, I am okay with these times. So that's we have to decide it. So majority of the people, if they want to go with to 9 to 10, we can discuss 9 to 10 or 8 to 9. But this slot is currently already booked. So or 6 to 7 also I am free. So that is the slots we have. So 6 to 7 or 6:30 to 6 to 7 only. Then we have the 9 to 10. So or 8:30, 7:30. So like that we have the time slots. So 9 to 10 is the best option for you guys. So most of the team members they have expressed the concern like they are interested in the 9 to 10. So that's I am okay with this on. If you are also okay, we can discuss this timeline. If anything, so we can discuss in our groups as well. Okay, so this is about the some SAP related information, some discussions. So any questions from anyone here?
What is the main difference of SAP DB compared to other DBs?
Yeah. SAP, yeah. So SAP released the Hana DB. So we have the other database in the market, right? SQL Server, Oracle, and DB2, and MaxDB, and Sybase. We have and Postgre. So there is a many databases like a SAP database, not a non-SAP database in the market. So these all are these all databases to store their data in their disk layout disks, either the C drive or D drive or E drive, whatever the disks we have, there it will share it. But especially for the HANA database, it will store the data in RAM memory. Instead of disk layout, it will store the data in RAM memory. So in memory, that is called the in-memory concept. In-memory concept, it is storing the data in memory, which is means all the data storing into the in-memory. So that it's a very fast. Why? Because to accessing the data from main memory is 1 lakh times faster than disk. So if the disk failures happens, some corruptions, then definitely it will be slow on a data loss situation. But if you have the data in main memory, means RAM memory, your results are very fast. If you have the more RAM, your system is very fast. You have the less RAM, you have the system is very slow, right? Same concept will be applicable here as well. If you have the RAM, data storing into the RAM means it's a very speedily you can get it. Nowadays, all users or customers look speed, getting the speed, accessing the data from database, it's a very speed. I want last 10 years data, last 10 years sales data from the system. Then if you query it, then immediately within fraction of milliseconds, you will get it out, right? This is the way it will happen. Same as like here as well. Same as like if you query it, it will get it out. Same as like so Oracle, DB2, MaxDB also. But so in the HANA database is the very fastest database in the market compared to the other database. Why? It is storing the data into the in-memory compared to the other database storing the database in memory. So in memory means how the data storing in memory and what will happen if the data, if the RAM is restarted or OS is restarted, what exactly happens means in the day-to-day classes, we will discuss about those things, administration part. Any other
Okay.
questions? Basically, the bottom line is it's an in-memory concept other database, not in the in-memory concept.
Okay.
So this is the duration. Access parts, I will provide it, don't worry. So the fees structure, just want to inform the fee structure as well in this batch. The course fee structure is the 20K. I'm not taking for SAP basis one course, Hana one course, server access separately. It's normal, worthable price 20K. You can pay in 10K plus 10K, 2 installments, you can pay it. And so after joining the 1 week only, you have to pay the, like, you don't need to pay the before it, the starting of the day itself, you don't need to pay the, so you don't need to pay the single rupee as well. After you listen 1 week, you satisfy, if you are okay, understandable, okay, then only can pay the first installment. Then ignore it. You don't need to pay the single rupee as well. That is what. So in my previous classes, I never discussed about, I never disclosed about the fee structure. But in this class, in this demo session, I am discussing about the fee structure as well. But because everything I have to mention here. That is the reason the demo session, everything, each and everything I have to mention here. So that is the reason I am mentioning here. Server access will be provided. SAP basis will discuss. HANA administration will discuss. So, and also the recording videos will be provided as soon as class is completed. The related documentation also will be shared. So everything will be shared. So it's an upfront. So everything I will share it. So there is no hidden, nothing is there. Okay. Interview point of time every Saturday. The class timings like Monday to Friday, and Saturday also Monday to Saturday. Okay. So and Saturday especially for the revision, the discussions, assignment, interview point of time discuss. All things will happen in the Saturday. So then our class will continue. So this will happen in the Saturday. Every Saturday we have the interview point of time we will discuss, and also we will revise the previous topic. So I will ask some randomly, definitely in each and every class, every day I will ask some questions. So this will happen in the our day-to-day classes. Okay. So anything anyone wants to bring up, add something?
Hello, sir. This is Mahabub. I'm from Bangladesh.
Yeah.
Sir,
Hi.
what is the payment? Hi. What is the payment method? How can I pay?
You can pay either GPay, Google Pay, Phone Pay, or like Paytm. I have the account. So whatever you want, you can pay.
Okay. Sir, can you share the payment method in chat group
Yeah.
and also the course content,
Sure,
course catalog?
sure. Yeah. Once as soon as our class is completed, I will upload this demo, course content, duration, everything. I will share it to you.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Thanks, everyone. So if no one has any questions, or if you have any questions, just call me my mobile number. This is my mobile number. Directly can call me, not a problem. My mobile number. You can directly call me my mobile number. I will clarify your doubts. If any clarifications or anything is required, just you can call me. So definitely I will help you on that one. Okay. So thanks, everyone.